In Einstein level for chapter 1, what's the next number? And so if we look at these, one way to look at the pattern is plus 3, plus 5, plus 7. So the next one's going to be plus 9. And that's just the pattern between the squares. So if you look at 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, you get the odd numbers going up as the difference. So plus 3, plus 5, plus 7, plus 9. But it's also the squares. So 1 squared, 2 squared, 3 squared, 4 squared, 5 squared equals 25. So that's our next number. Now in here, we're going from 9 to 3, so it's minus 6, but it's also divided by 3. So which is it? Well, the next one is also divided by 3, divided by 3. So a third divided into 3 parts is a ninth. Okay, so in this version, I can't really look and see what it is. I think it's a half, a fourth, an eighth, a 16th. How much is left each time? In number 4, looks like we're dividing by 2. Divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. Fourth divided in half is an eighth, 16th divided in half. And so a 16th divided in half is a 32nd. Next one we have something that's doubling in weight. So at noon, weighs 1 pound. So at 1, it'll weigh 2 pounds. At 2, it'll weigh 4 pounds. At 3, it'll weigh 8 pounds. At 4 o'clock, it'll weigh 16 pounds. At 5 o'clock, it'll weigh 32 pounds. And at 6 o'clock, it'll weigh 64 pounds. And at 7 p.m., it'll weigh 128.